In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your hosting plan in the A2 hosting client area. If your hosting plan is coming up for renewal, the process is very straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to complete it from your account dashboard. This is useful if you've received a renewal notice or simply want to make sure your hosting stays active without interruption. To get started, first log into your A2 hosting client area using your account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main account area where you can manage your services, billing, and account settings. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one hosting service, so you can access the right invoice. After you're logged in, look for the billing section in the navigation menu. From there, go to My Invoices. This page displays your billing history, including both paid and unpaid invoices connected to your account. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you can identify the correct renewal invoice for your hosting plan. Next, select the unpaid renewal invoice for the hosting plan you want to renew. When you open the invoice, you'll be able to review the details before making payment. This is a good time to confirm that the invoice matches the service you expect to renew and that the billing information looks correct. Reviewing the invoice helps prevent accidental payment on the wrong item, especially if there are multiple invoices in your account. Once you've confirmed that everything looks right, choose your preferred payment method from the available options shown on the invoice page. Depending on your account and region, you may see one or more payment methods listed. Select the one you want to use, then click Pay Now to process the renewal. After submitting the payment, allow a moment for the transaction to complete. In most cases, the invoice status will update once the payment has been successfully processed. It's a good idea to wait for the confirmation screen and, if available, save or note the payment confirmation for your records. That's it. By logging into your client area, opening billing, and then My Invoices, selecting the unpaid renewal invoice, and completing payment with Pay Now, you can renew your hosting plan quickly and help ensure your service remains active.